inside my little greenhouse. I've got little pepper there, something eating it. Just a quick show of what's going on. My Jamaican apples. Yeah, look nice. I just want to show you one of my plum. This is a small, let me get it from off the tree first. So it's a nice size plum, and there's one more there, and so it's two more left. And this is the size of the tree. This is the second year now, and that's the size of the tree. Being for the second year since it's been planted. So a nice size plum come off this tree. I'm going to show my fig tree. There's no fig on it at the moment. My gooseberry. So this gooseberry plant I already harvest from. So I'm just having the last few left. Oh. So gooseberry, plum. Oh, there's another little one there. Oh yeah, I've got all of them now. And my apple tree. My garlic. Not sure why this one tilt over. You can see this one tilt over. Not sure why. Let me try and put it. Hopefully that one can hold it, support it. And I'm gonna pick some of these berries. Berry. Oh, that one's no good. Let's get it off. Get some. If I could get it from there, it would be much better than yank it out from the stem. Ooh, that's better. It's not easy to pick with just one hand. Okay. I might get some strawberries. Get a few strawberries. I might have to put these down and then come back for them in a minute. So these are the wild woodland strawberries. And this is just the normal strawberries. This is a nice size strawberry. Nice size, and at least it haven't been bitten into, because the slug like to be the first. So get back to the woodland, wild, I wouldn't say wild, but woodland strawberries. They're so tiny. So compared to that size, you can see the difference. See what I mean when I said these slugs like to be the first to eat these strawberries? Look at that, guys. I'm telling you. So disrespectful these slugs are. So disrespectful. Man, I don't know what to do with them. Let's go down there and see. And then we go back up. Oh, there's one here. Ooh. Didn't see that one. And there's another one that the slug had. Again. I tell you, these slugs are something different. I want to show you guys one of my hair. It's so beautiful. Let's see if I can get my phone pulled out a little more. You can see my pear, guys. It's coming on lovely. It's a nice size pear, 2 of them. But I've got loads all over. These are just some smaller ones. And that's where the tree gone up in the sky. And these, oh, this is from a different, oh, what's that biting me? Bush. This is from a different pear tree. This one, wait, let me get it out. From a different pear tree. Where is it? Oh, there's pear. And look, guys, it's blooming more pear. Yeah. Some blueberries, blackberries. I might harvest, try and get this one. I'm getting that one. My cucumber, I'm trying to let it run on this chalice that I made for it. So hopefully it will run up like that one. You can see that one is running up nicely. And these kids play with the battle and chop it all over the place. And a nice pumpkin vine. So I don't want it over that side, so I have to, oh dear, which leaf did I get? I have to try and prize it back over that side. Because after a while it will just get out of control. Oh my garden. And this lovely tomato tree. This is my butter bean. My butter bean plants. Look promising. Not sure what's going on with these tomatoes, but it's not looking good. So my butter bean and nice little tomato tree. Little cabbage. Needs sorting out. Some red peas. Haven't seen anything on it so far. And my corn, my sweet corn. Looking promising. Just look at my sunflower, guys. Ain't it beautiful? See, nice petal. And look at the leaves, so it's really broad. Oh my god, mine is big, and look at that. It's huge. Nice sunflower plant. Look at that leaves. That leaves are huge. So this little container, plant pan, that's what I put all my compost. So I throw all my compost in it, and you can see what's growing in there. Loads of different seeds. Not even sure what some of these plants are. I know beetroot. I can identify beetroot, but I'm not sure about this yellow leaf one. Not sure what it is. And so many different plants. That's the sunflower stem. And different type of beetroot. Actually, see a beetroot here. Not beetroot. Oh, that's just old avocado. And then we got some tomato plants and some more sunflower plants. There's one right here. From the root to the top of the tree, up in the sky. I can't believe how big this apple tree's gone, because I remember I just planted like, say, 4 years ago now, 5 years. Gosh. And it's gone over 12 feet, I would say, 12 feet high. Can't believe it. Even this pear tree is huge. It's gone way up in the sky. Oh my dear.